Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace.
What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're so much welcome, and kindly make sure you subscribe. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And so in today's video, I'm going to make a tank top from a scarf I have here. It was one long scarf. I've cut it into two, and I'm going to make a scarf with it. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment what you think in the comment section. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on post notification. Yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Yeah, so I have my pieces of cloth here, and I have scissors, and I have a needle and a thread. I'm going to use this black thread, but I'll make sure it's not seen. Yeah, so make sure you watch this video to the end.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Make a wish.
So guys, I'm done, and this is the final look.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish.
So you can try this at home. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. Yeah, so if you did, give it a big thumbs up or give it a big like. Comment what you think in the comment section, and I'll be sure to read and reply. Share this video. Yeah, tell a friend to come and subscribe. And subscribe also if you have not subscribed. And turn on post notifications so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye.
You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your